What's up, guys? I think that we're live. I think we are live. What's going on, guys? A little bit of an earlier stream again today. KK, how you doing, buddy? Crypto Homes, hello, everyone. How's it going, guys? Welcome in. Welcome. Got to get a drink right away of the Monster. Fire it up. Let's get going here, guys. Let's talk. Let's see what's going on. How's everybody doing? Wilkin, what's up? What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Welcome into the chat. Hope everybody's having a good day today. We're going to talk some JASMY. We're going to talk some crypto. We're going to make some money. Let's do it. All right. Just give you guys a few seconds to kind of roll in. Got the chart going on here. Let's have a look at the crypto bubbles, guys. JASMY still holding that 1.5 level, cent and a half. WF Capital, yo, what's up, man? Good to see ya. Hey, what's your thoughts on PNG? PNG, just give me a minute here. Just give me a few, and we'll start to get into looking at some of the altcoins, some of the requests. I'll write it down, make sure that I get to it. Just bear with me here. PNG. We will have a look at it, my friend. Just hang in there, I promise. Haas, what's up, buddy? Let's go, JASMY. Michael, hey, Rob, what's up, buddy? Avoki, Voki, let's go, JASMY. Sandeep, hopefully 2 cents soon. 100%, man. Could be tonight. Could be tonight. Deathbank, JASMY, what's up, buddy? What's up, JASMY family? Haas, I'm on time. No push-ups for me tonight. Yeah, drink some protein and let those muscles recover, buddy, from the push-ups. You made it on time. Rickaroo, speaking of someone who's always late, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man? Wilkin, JASMY bullishly consolidating. This is a good thing for the bulls. 100%, man. The longer we consolidate, the higher the pump is going to be. Christopher, hey boss, always watching your channel, 25 million JASMY and gaining, trying to get to 50. Holy smokes, Christopher. My hat is tipped to you, brother. That is one hell of a bag you got there. Congratulations, my friend. You are going to definitely make it. WF Capital, what about Veracity? It's another one that we'll have a look at. I'm just writing these down, guys. We'll get into looking at some of the alts in a little bit. Just bear with me. Let me catch up in the chat here. Ronald, looks like it's going to fall for a few more days. Hey, that's just more opportunity, man. We're actually going to look at that, too. If we fall down below, we're only going to fall to about 1.4-ish. So it's not going to fall too far, in my opinion. There's another support level down there, so it would be a good DCA opportunity. Mel, yo, what's up, Rob? What's up, buddy? Shane, 25 million. Dang, that is a lot. 100%, Shane. That's crazy. Christopher's just making us look like minnows over here with his whale action. What else we got going? Crypto Homes, VRA pumping bigly. Yeah, check it out, man. Veracity is looking juicy. 12.3% today. My Veracity bag is looking very, very good. WF Capital, go VRA. Shane, how early did you start buying, Christopher? Good question. Michael, March is approaching. Hope we lock up. Roadmap, JASMY chain will be released. 100%, buddy. And so much more. If the JASMY chain launches, the PDL's up and running, you can also look forward to the innovation zone tag being taken off of us as well. So really, really good things coming, guys. Really good things. Okay, so let's get into a couple of the things I kind of wanted to talk about, and then we'll get into some of the alts you guys want to look at after that, if that's cool. Don't gang beat me or anything. BTC, guys, I don't know if some of you guys remember, but I told you guys last week, remember? I said that Bitcoin was going to have a bit of a pullback, and it reached down to about 50,800 or something, right? So I said it was going to go down around there. And then I said we were going to hit 58 to 59K, but that the next stop up was going to be about 57K. And look what happened, guys. We pulled down to 50,800. Now we've pulled all the way back up to 57K. Next week, guys, by the end of this week or early next week, we will be looking at a 58 to 59K Bitcoin, in my opinion. And it's just, we're going to keep going. And guys, there's not much resistance above it after that. So it's just going to go nuts, guys. The market's going to go. It's insane. We're actually looking at a possibility of looking at an all-time high before the halving. That is the first time that has ever happened. This 4-year cycle, this bull run, is going to be unprecedented, guys. It's going to be insane. Ronald, what's your thoughts on Polyswarm? That's another one I will have a look at, my friend. Just bear with me. I used to be bullish on Polyswarm. I haven't looked at it lately, but I will have a look and see what's going on. Death Bank, a lot will miss out on JASMY at these low prices. 100%, brother. Shane, I hope they incorporate JASMY into PlayStation Network somehow. Well, there's a lot of different things, Shane, that we talked about when it comes to the PlayStation Network. I don't know if you were watching the live stream on Saturday I had with JASMY US and with Jesse from KIR Finance. They're both JASMY ambassadors. What I'll do for you guys is I'll actually put the link in the description for that live stream so that you guys can go back and watch that later after this one, because it'll answer a lot of the questions when it comes to PlayStation and stuff like that. So Shane, I'd say check this one out afterwards, buddy, because you're going to like what you hear, my friend. I promise you that. I put the link there for you. Watch that video, that stream after this one. It's me with Jesse and Spencer. Both of them are JASMY ambassadors, so definitely don't miss that one, buddy. You'll really like it. JASMY plus Sony. You think Bitcoin Cash will keep rising? I think Bitcoin Cash will have a decent bull run. Exactly. Yeah. Shane, I'm new here, first time listener. Welcome to the channel, Shane. Welcome in, brother. Welcome to the family. It's good to have you here, man. Welcome to all the new subscribers. The subscriber count's been going up like crazy, guys. So welcome all of you guys. We have a fantastic community here. You guys are going to love it. Crypto Homes, already welcoming you in. Crypto Homes, fantastic, man. So yeah, also join the Discord, because it should be in the link in the description there. It's a lot of fun down there as well. Joshua says, I want higher highs, but we need a further retrace to get momentum going hard. Yeah, we need a springboard. So maybe if we drop down to about 1.4, maybe 1.3, maybe we can see a nice springboard up towards the 2.3, 2.4 cent level. It's going to happen, and I'm going to show you why, right? I'm going to show you why. Check it out, guys. What does this look like to you? That's right. This is a bull flag, guys. If you don't know what happens with these, generally we break to the upside. Dear JASMY family, I repeat one more time, $1 JASMY is not a dream. 100% agree. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I showed you this yesterday, but today we've added another intense volume day for the 9, with well over $2 billion traded. IBIT broke its personal record again with 1.3 billion. For context, that's more than most large cap US stocks trade. I don't know if this is new normal or some kind of short-term algo, but holy crap, guys, look at this. We're like, it's not slowing down. The buying pressure on these BTC ETFs is not cooling off. It's getting crazier. Look at the last 2 days, guys. Look at the last 2 days. $2 billion are traded in one day. That's crazy. How does this not make you poop your pants bullish? Lord of the Realm, what's up, Jasmy family? What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Joshua, not much resistance after 1-7. Sweep lower liquidity and load up on the dip. Then to the moon. 100%, Joshua. Hit the nail right on the head, brother. Hit the nail right on the head, man. If you're new here, guys, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. We only need 33 more subs to get to 3,000. 33 subs. So if you're here, help us out. Hit the subscribe button. Help us grow. Josh, we're compressing the spring. 100%. Big springs popping, little things stopping. See what I did there? John, the idiom, glass half full or empty, symbolizes our outlook as either positive or negative, impacting mindset and well-being through optimism and pessimism. Defining key personality traits. The way I see it, we're up 350% in the last 6 months, and that's it. Exactly, guys. There is your perspective. 347% in the last 6 months for all the people who come online and say Jasmy's price doesn't move. 350%. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. You'll love to see it. Okay, what else do we got going on here, guys? Let me just have a look here. Okay, so what else happened? Check this out, guys. We're stepping in. We've filed, so the Chamber of Digital Commerce, if you followed the Ripple case, they intervened in the Ripple case as well. But they've said here, we've filed an amicus curiae brief in the SEC Gov vs. Kraken case. Our goal to end the SEC's attempt to regulate the digital asset industry without legislative authority. So they have filed an amicus curiae on behalf of Kraken, because Kraken filed a motion to dismiss the case that the SEC has filed against them, stating that the SEC does not have legal authority to be filing lawsuits against these companies in the first place, or to oversee digital assets. So this is going to be another giant loss for Dirty Gare Bear and the SEC 5, right? So we'll see what happens, guys. We will see what happens. But I think that Gary is in for one hell of a bad year, just like last year. Okay, what do we got here? Fresh Fontana, Jasmy wedge support test incoming. Break support. Look to test the previous day low on the 2 hours. So if we fall down below the 1.5 cent range, will fall into the green box around the 1.4 level, between 1.4 and 1.5, somewhere in between there. That's where we should fall. So it's not too bad of a fall, guys, but it would be a nice little springboard to launch us back up. Sweep the lows, take liquidity, big things popping, little things stopping. You know the credo, guys. You know how we do. Okay. What else do we got? Oh, check this out, guys. I want to play this quick. Once the Parliament bill passes for Web3 startup, we're heading to the moon. Yeah, it's going to take that's going to take about, I'm thinking a month or two before that's finally done and VC money can start coming into Web3. So you're absolutely right. And as we get closer to that date and we get more and more news and articles about it, FOMO's going to kind of kick in about it and stuff, and we'll see money start to pour in, and then we'll see that VC money come in, and Jasmy's going to moonshot at that point, in my opinion. Once we get that VC money coming in, forget about it. Okay, listen to this real quick, guys. Let me know if you can hear it. Good old Elizabeth Warren is at it again.
You want to collaborate with the industry. What I don't understand is why the industry seems to be saying that the only way that they can survive is if there's plenty of space for the drug traffickers and the human traffickers, and the terrorists and the ransomware scammers and the consumer scammers and the rogue nations, North Korea, that is financing about half of its nuclear missile program with crypto. that all of that has to be left open. You know, keep in mind, in our financial system, pretty much everybody follows the same set of rules.
I like how she
I'm
puts
talking
words
banks
in her
and credit
mouths.
unions and credit card companies, gold traders and stockbrokers. Private equity now has to follow the rules. Precious metal dealers, Venmo, Western Union, but not crypto. My view of the world is same kind of activity, same kind of risk, should have the same regulation. I'm not looking for fancier regulation for them. I'm not looking for anything tougher for them. I just want a level playing field here. I want to collect.
Okay, so how about we start, Elizabeth? How about we start with opening the books on how you made, what, $50 million on a $200 million annual salary? How about we start there? If we want to be fair and we want to be transparent and we want to make sure everything's legal, well, then let's make sure you're legal first. How about that? Cut the camera, guys. Cut the camera. Can't do that. Crypto Homes, XRP actually having a good day. Yeah, XRP eventually, the next leg up for XRP is probably going to be somewhere around that 75 to 85 cent level. I think it's gonna make its way up there, and then it's gonna consolidate and build another level of support there. Venom, patience pays off 100. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Balaclava, man. Jasmy to Jupiter. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see ya. All right, let's see. Let's take a quick break from that stuff and let's look at some of these coins you guys want to see. How about that? How about that? Hey, Rob, what's going on, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see ya. All right, first let's have a look at Polyswarm. Let's see what's going on there. Good old Polyswarm. I was bullish on this about a year and a half ago, but I ended up not getting any. I think it was a listing problem, that's why. Most of the supplies in circulation. Up 24% on the day, looking good. Let's check out their website. Website, honestly, just at first glance, their website leaves a lot to be admired, right? They definitely need a better website than this. Malware intelligence powered by Swarm. I like the product, I like the utility, but I just, this is just an ugly, lazy website in my opinion. They definitely have to do some upgrading. Definitely. How active are they on their socials? Posted yesterday. Yeah, they're pretty active on their socials, so yeah. I mean, I'm neutral on Polyswarm. I used to be bullish. I was gonna buy some before. I didn't end up getting around to it, but yeah, I mean, their tokenomics are good. All-time high was 2 years ago, 17 cents. They will definitely smash 17 cents for sure. They will get into price discovery, so not a bad pickup in my opinion. What else do we got? PNG. Let's look at PNG. PNG. Oh, up 20% on the day. 23%. Just about half the supplies in circulation. Oh, it's had a hell of a week, man. It's up 593% on the week. I would not recommend DCAing into this right now. Not a good buying time to pick it up. On Avalanche. Oh, so they're a DAO. They got a DAO. They launched, what are they? A DEX backed by world-class partners. Thorchain, Flare, Coinbase, Avalanche. Songbird, Hedera, some good partnerships. What's the analytics? I got some decent trading pairs. $19 million in 24-hour volume. I want to know about their team. Where's their team? Is their team doxed or what? I mean, they have a Reddit, a Telegram, Discord, support, Twitter. Near protocol tools. I would want to see. I want to know the team. I'm sure they're somewhere, but it's not a bad project. I wouldn't recommend buying it right now, to be honest with you. It's up 31% on the day, up 593% on the week. Not a good DCA opportunity. I would wait on this one if you're looking for an entry point. That's what I would say on that. Veracity. Good old Veracity having itself a good day too, eh? My Veracity bag's looking juicy, up 11, almost 12%. Veracity is due for like a massive pump, guys. Veracity's gonna pump soon, like JASMY just did. Probably $1.50, 2 cents soon. I definitely love my Veracity. Definitely. I hold a good size bag of Veracity. Venom Patience pays off. What do we got? Carlos, XRP looking good today. Yeah, let's have a look at our XRP. How good are they looking today? They broke 60 cents, I think, didn't they? Didn't they break 60 cents like yesterday or something? So, bit of a pullback. A little bit. Not too bad. Yeah, I love my XRP too, guys. I've been holding XRP since before the lawsuit. I DCA'd for the first like year and a half, 2 years of the lawsuit. And now I hold enough, in my opinion. Nice big bag of it. Now I just sit and I wait, because this bull run is going to be super exciting for XRP. It's the first, like, whether you like XRP or you don't, you have to kind of be curious to see how this bull run is going to play out for XRP. Considering, listen, guys. How many projects can you honestly say can be sued by the SEC, fudded to death for the last 3 years, and still manage to stay in the top 10? Right? Crazy. That is crazy. That is quite the accomplishment, man. So I'm curious to see exactly what it is they can do. It will be exciting, in my opinion. What else do you guys want to look at? Let me know. Let me know. If you're a fan of Matic, Matic just printed a golden cross on the weekly. So we may be in for a hell of a run on Matic. Just so that you know. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Elon Musk says, just bought a new PC laptop and it won't let me use it unless I create Microsoft account, which also means giving their AI access to my computer. This is messed up. There has to be an option to skip signing into or creating a Microsoft account. Are you seeing this too? Well, Elon, if you're listening, which I doubt you are, JASMY Secure PC is a solution for data breaching prevention and performance management by installing an agent program in computer terminals. So, Elon's got a problem. Guess what? JASMY solves it. Maybe Elon needs to look into JASMY, guys. I like that he's tagged here, but he definitely needs to look into this, because big things popping. Just about every problem out there, guys. JASMY solves it. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Shane, let's go Matic. Yeah, 100%, man. Like I said, golden cross on the weekly, buddy. Could see a nice run on Matic soon. And for all you degens out there, we got a new meme coin on Solana all about Silly Cat, introducing a new cat in the meme town. Check it out if you like it. If not, no, you don't have to, but just thought I'd let you know. New meme coin on Solana. All right, so that's what I have for you guys. What do you guys got for me? What do you guys want to talk about? Renee M. No. Crypto Homes have an ambassador reach out to Elon. Yeah, I could get Jesse or Spencer to reach out to Elon. By the way, guys, speaking of collaborations, just so that you guys have a heads up, on Thursday, I will be popping into Max's live stream over on Maximus Crypto. I'll be popping in there. We're gonna chat some, probably chat some JASMY chat or whatever it is that whatever it is he has on the docket for his live stream on Thursday. I will be there on camera. I won't just be in the chat this time. So make sure you guys tune in to Max's channel on Thursday for that. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to pop it up here. So if you don't know who Max is, there he is, guys. Check him out. Shoot him a sub. Maximus Crypto. Covers a lot of JASMY stuff, a lot of HBAR, a lot of Quant, a lot of Bitcoin. BSV. He does a lot of BSV. He does a lot of XLM Stellar stuff. What else does he do? He does some Saucer Swap. Like I said, HBAR, Casper. A lot of stuff. He covers a lot of good stuff, guys. So definitely check Max out. Like I said, I will be on his channel on Thursday. So yeah, we like to do those collaborations, guys. Shane, do you think Flare? What do you think? I'm very, very, very bullish on Flare Network, my friend. I think Flare is going to be fantastic in this bull run. Crypto Homes love my Flare tokens. Yep, 100%. I was just saying a few weeks ago, guys, that I wanted to get in on Flare, and the darn thing went and pumped on me. It was 2 cents, and now it's up at almost 5 cents. I missed that opportunity, so that's too bad. I don't have a good. I hold some Flare from the free airdrop. I just never sold it, but I was looking for a good entry point on Flare, but I'm still DCAing into some of my Web3 gaming projects, so I missed out on the opportunity to scoop up Flare at a like 2 cents, and now I'm very, very salty at myself about it. So, but what are you gonna do, right, guys? Here's the thing, guys, right? You can't catch them all, right? They're not Pokemon. You can't catch them all. You're gonna miss some, and that's okay, right? Because for every one that you miss, another one's coming around the corner. Shane, so many cryptos, not enough funds. Exactly, brother. Exactly. Right? All you can do is work on one bag at a time, and, you know, you're going to get some, you're going to miss some, but at the end of the day, we're all going to make, well, everyone on this channel anyway is going to make life-changing wealth. So, Venom, what about SLP? Isn't that sleep potion? Is that what that is? Isn't that an in-game crypto? Smooth love potion, that's what it is. Yeah, yeah, this is like an in-game for, I want to say Alluvio, no, Axie Infinity, right? It's yeah, it's an in-game crypto for Axie Infinity, I think. That's why it has an unlimited supply. $173 million market cap. I'm kind of neutral on it, to be honest with you. I like Axie Infinity, and I think that this will pump with Axie Infinity, absolutely. You'll make some good money on it, but it's just not my cup of tea, though. Crypto Homes, where do you see Injective going in the next bull run? Let's have a look over on Injective. Let's see what's going on. Oh, Injective, definitely. I think Injective could see, what are we at? $3 billion, yeah. I mean, we could see close to $75 to $100. Well, we will see for sure 75, but we could see $100 on Injective easy. We could see it. We could see it, guys. Yeah, these layer ones never do bad. That's the thing, right? And if it's a layer one that's worth its salt, it's never gonna be that bad. It's, you know. Silly cat looks good. I'm going in. Nice, buddy. Nice, KK. I hope it pumps for you, brother. I'm not getting any. I just thought I would show you guys new meme coin on the block. You never know with these things, right? You never know with these things. Throwing in $100 might make you 5 to 6 grand. Who knows, right? So, Shane, don't worry, it's just getting started. Yeah, 100%, 100%. Balaclava Man, what do you think Render will get to this bull run? Render. It's funny, I must get asked where I think Render's gonna go almost every single live stream. It's gonna be one of the top AI plays, guys. Render's gonna be like, again, 75, $100. I could see it getting up there, man. I could really see it getting up there. It's gonna be one of the #1 AI projects in my opinion, even though it's got such a high market cap already. KK, Elizabeth Warren just tweeted out, buy her coin. EWFB. Epic. Absolutely epic, brother. I love it. You always bring the heat, man. You always bring that heat, KK. Pick a Moon. Let's have a look at Pick a Moon. Looks like it's still in its it's on BNB and it's on Avalanche. Let me check over on Dex Tools. Pick a Moon. Two years ago. Doesn't look good. Let's see if it's on Coinbase. Or CoinMarketCap, I mean. Looks like it's just got liquidity pairings right now. Total liquidity, $1.22. There's not much information on this one, man. I'm going to have to do some more research on it and get back to you, my friend. If this is it here, I mean, what are we looking at on the hourly here? What about the daily? Oof, marron. Low liquidity. I don't know. I don't think I would get in on this one. It looks a little bit too risky for me personally. But I digress. Crypto Homes Render has been burning, has a burning mechanism, so deflationary. Yeah, that's why I think that they can do so well. That's another reason they're going to do very, very well. KK, MAGA coin, $6. Yeah, I looked at that. Don't they have like a pair too? Don't they have like the Trump coin as well or something? Yeah, MAGA coin here. Check this bad boy out. $6, up 29.58%. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Let's check it over here. What do we got? Yeah, up 102% on the week. 337. I think, honestly, I think that this one still has a lot of run in it, to be honest with you. I would probably throw like $100 in this if it was me, just to see where it can go. If you want to know where you can get it over on Radium using Solana. You can get it on Orca, Bitmart. Probably just get it over on your MetaMask on the, probably on Solana or Ethereum. On Ethereum, at the hiccups. But yeah, I don't know. I'd probably throw $100 into it just to see what happens. Shane, we'll see more gains with Jasmy than Render, in my opinion. Oh, of course. The just the market cap alone says that Jasmy's ROI is going to be far, far better than Render's, but Render's still a good. It's still a good AI play for sure. Balaclava Man, Jasmy, no launch yet. Oh, okay. So Pick-a-Moon hasn't launched yet. That's why I can't find much on it. So how do you get the pre-sale then? Crypto Homes, Shane, most definitely Jasmy could be a 75 to 100x and Render a 15 to 20x. Exactly, yep, 100%. Shane, nice Crypto Homes, didn't know that. KK, yes, it's MVP. MVP. Right. Yeah, that's the vice president, right? MVP, that's right. M- that's so awesome. So awesome. I think that MAGA coin's going to continue to do well. It's an election year, guys. It just kind of goes with the territory, right? Balaclava Man, do you think Jasmy can reach one or more dollars this year? I just did a video yesterday on how and why I believe that Jasmy could actually reach $1 in 2024, and I believe it could reach $2 in 2025. Actually, what I will do is, hang on a second here. I'm going to share that in the chat as well for you guys. Here's the video that I did on it's a breakdown, guys. Watch this video later too. I just put it in the chat. It's a breakdown of how and why I think Jasmy can get to $1 this year and $2 in 2025. Check that out. See, I don't just tell you that I think it's going to go there. I tell you why I think it's going to go there. Jasmy all-time high was $4. Yep, 100% it was. Balaclava Man, $2 mid-2025. MVP's on Solana. Balaclava Man, could I get a link? Thanks. Passenger, I need a BTC correction as soon as possible. I have 5K extra to buy more Jasmy. Let's go. Well, it's not a bad time to DCA into Jasmy right now, brother. Look at that. We've had a breakdown into the support box at 14, between 14 and 15. So it would be a good DCA opportunity for you right now. I don't think we're going to get too much further down than that, to be honest with you. But, yeah. Guys, let me tell you right now, real quick. If you want to become a channel member, guys, you should definitely do that. It's only $4. The member side's been going like crazy. Definitely check out the member side, guys. It's $4. It supports the channel, and you can be a gem hunter with us. We look at gems on Saturdays in a live stream. We do microcap gem videos. You'll get help with your portfolio. You'll get help with exit strategies in the bull run. So definitely, guys, check out the link. I'm putting it in the chat now. Check that out. Become a member. Support the channel. Hook a brother up. And it's less than a cup of coffee, guys. So let's get the member side growing. Also, click the subscribe button if you're new here, because we need about 32 more subs to get to 3,000. So let's get this channel growing, guys. Let's get it done. Let's put in the work. I've put up today, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've put up 7 videos today and a live stream. So been pretty crazy busy. So click that subscribe button, click the join button. What else do you guys want to look at? What other projects can we dig into, guys? See what we've broken down into the support box for Jasmy. So Like I said, guys, a good DCA opportunity. If you were looking for one, now is your opportunity to pounce. Do not miss that. What do we got? Matt, stopping by while at work. I'm watching from my work computer that has no channel logged in. My Jasmy looking tasty. Yep, Jasmy's looking tasty. Time to scoop some up. Shane, you must be from Canada. Yes, Shane, 100%. You got that right, brother. You got that right. Balaclava Man, do you think Jasmy will be here with us forever? And how high do you think it could go in the future past all-time high? I do. I actually, Balaclava Man, I also went into that link for the video that I sent you. I talked about how back when I was talking with Spencer and Jesse on Saturday, we were discussing how it's entirely possible that I might not actually sell any of my Jasmy this bull run because the deeper I go down the rabbit hole into Jasmy as a company, and I look at the possible TVL that this company is trying to get, and having 85% of the max supply locked, circulating supply locked up, we could be looking like I believe that this team can find a way to get Jasmy in the big picture to $17 like they're planning to, right? It's entirely possible, guys. They're looking at an 85% TVL, so you're already cutting the supply down to what? 15 billion instead of having 50, right? That's going to massively shock the price right there, right? Then you get utility going, you get use cases for Jasmy. I mean, the sky's the limit, truly. I may not sell it. I may just hold it. I don't know, right? I feel like, guys, I missed Bitcoin back in the day, right? And I will never make that mistake again. So that's my philosophy on it. AIOZ. Let's have a look at AIOZ. uh, 100% of supply and circulation, $324 million market cap, ranked 217. AI play. I've looked at this before. I think that I basically said that this was like, this is like a crossover, right? It's for streaming. Yeah, it's for streaming, Web3 for storing, and for AI compute. Yeah, Web3 ecosystem. Yeah, I thought that this was a fairly decent play. I looked at this before. Yeah, this one's not bad. Not a bad play. Kind of neutral on it, but all-time high was in the bull run, $2.63. Yeah, it could reach all-time high. Not a bad play. Not a bad AI play. Shane, I could tell the Canadian accent. Yeah. I don't have a Canadian. I don't know what you're talking about, brother. Polkadot. I love Polkadot. I love the Polkadot ecosystem. I love Moonbeam. I hold a lot of Moonbeam that's in the Polkadot ecosystem. A Star is another good project in the Polkadot ecosystem. Polkadot has a really great ecosystem, in my opinion. Great project. Gonna do big things again in the bull run. Definitely will get back to all-time highs, in my opinion. Yeah, good project. I mean, there's not really much new you can say about Polkadot. I mean, it's been around for quite a while. It's a blue chip, in my opinion. So what I would say, if you like Polkadot, I would say dive deeper into the Polkadot ecosystem and look at projects like A Star, like Moonbeam, Glimmer. Great projects, guys. Fantastic projects. I hold a lot of Glimmer. It's an L1. Fantastic project. Gonna do big things, in my opinion. Balaclava Man, exactly. The more information I get, the more I want to hold extremely long run to 17. Exactly. That's exactly it, man. The deeper I dive and the more I talk to the people, the ambassadors, and and the team and all that kind of stuff, the more I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to sell right now, right? This could be huge. Jasmy's not even global yet, guys. That's the thing. This company, they're not even like this is a local company in Japan that's looking for global expansion, and you have the opportunity right now to be in on it on the ground floor. I'm not so eager to sell at this point in time, to be honest with you, right? It could be massive, absolutely massive. Um, William XYO, please, please, please. I got you, brother. I got you. I like XYO. I did a breakdown video on XYO probably a year ago now. Very bullish on XYO. 100% of the supply in circulation. 105, almost $106 million market cap. It is yet to pop off this year, but it will have a good bull run in my opinion. Fantastic IoT play. I would say, guys, listen, IoT is very, very early, right? You want to get in on these IoT plays and you want to hold them, because I think IoT going into the next bull run of 2029, 2030, IoT is going to be like IoT. This is the thing. IoT and AI are like this, right? They're like this. And AI is going to be huge going into the next bull run. IoT is right there along with it. You can't have one. It's like peanut butter and jam, right? They're both going to be massive in 2029, 2030, in my opinion. IoT is going to take more of a center stage role in terms of narratives. So if you can get in early on these projects, Jasmy, you're looking at XYO. What else? We were looking at another one. XNA, like these IoT plays, VeChain, but VeChain's not really new. Even ICP, right? You're looking at these plays now. Very, very smart to get in on them now, because they're going to be huge in the future. Huge. Huge. Shane, do they look at Jasmy as Bitcoin over in Japan? I've been hearing people say Jasmy's the Japan Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what they call it, the Bitcoin of Japan. They're very, very. The thing is, they're very, very proud of the fact that that Jasmy is created in is founded in Japan. It's a Japanese company that's going to go global, right? And like the thing is, Jasmy is the only cryptocurrency in Japan with legal clarity, right? So when we're talking about these VCs that are going to be able to start buying into crypto out in Japan, right? What's one of the first cryptos they're going to buy, guys? It's going to be Jasmy, because they very specifically stated in the documents that these VCs were going to be targeting these altcoins that have legal clarity. And right now, the only one that does is Jasmy, right? Now, don't get me wrong. I think that also means that you're going to start to see other cryptos start to fight for legal clarity in Japan. But as of right now, Jasmy stands alone as the only target for them. So you're going to see 3 coins getting bought by these VCs in the next couple of months as soon as this bill passes. And that's Bitcoin, probably Ethereum, and Jasmy, right? So that is going to be massive for Jasmy out in Japan. Kevin, thanks for looking, Rob. You're the man. Jasmy's my number one. No problem, brother. You know I always got your back. United Art Forms, totally agree. Hoops and Dreams for highlights. How much Jasmy do you have? You should never reveal the size of your bags to people, guys. Could you possibly talk about stakes? You're not talking about stacks, are you? Stakes. Is this what you're talking about? Stake stone? Or are you talking about stacks? United Art Forms, let me know, brother. If you're talking about stacks, I'll have a look at stacks. No problem, man. Crypto Homes, too many to count. Yeah. Hang on, let me get my bag out. 1, 2, 3. Kevin, I hold some XYO2. Good choice, my friend. Good choice. IoT is a good narrative to focus on. Michael, IoT and AI together equals JASMY. Absolutely. Balaclava Man. Are there any other coins that have been approved by the government apart from JASMY? In Japan, no, not right now. JASMY is the only crypto in Japan that has legal clarity and is regulatory compliant in Japan. Nick, JASMY isn't going up 100% every day. I'm selling and chasing PNG. It's green. I'm sensing sarcasm. You're gonna chase a green candle. I don't believe you. I don't believe you for a second. Come on. Come on. Yeah, guys, hit the subscribe button because hit the subscribe button because we need 31 more subs, guys, to get to 3,000. So let's push it up, guys. Let's get it to 3,000. That's going to be amazing, an amazing achievement for the channel if we can get there. What else do we got? Balaclava Man, how about around the world? Well, I mean, around the world, I mean, listen, there's lots of countries that have declared certain crypto like Bitcoin, XRP, and so on, Ethereum as commodities, but they haven't gone through the legal whatever, like XRP did, to get that legal clarity. So, I mean, if we're talking technically, no, there's not many crypto that have legal clarity around the world. But if we're just talking basically, like, you know, theoretically, then we're looking at, you know, the basics: Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. You know, a lot of them. Most of the other countries around the world consider crypto in general as commodities. So, which in itself basically implies that they consider them legally regulated, right? But thing is, Japan has always been very strict and very difficult to get legal clarity when it comes to commodities, securities, things like that. They've just started loosening up and things like that. So it's a lot more complicated in Japan to get that legal clarity. LMAO, yeah, that's troll. The lockup, the utility reward, people aren't factoring on top of the alts, weeding out the weak hands. Yeah, 100%, Nick. I was listening to a YouTuber last night, and like, he was talking about JASMY again, and I gotta say, man, it was just driving me crazy. It was like nails on a chalkboard listening to him because he was talking again. And he's done it multiple times in his videos. And I'm not calling him out on it. I'm not going to say his name on here because it's not what it's. I'm not attacking him. But it's just like I'm listening to him and he's talking about, you know, where the price of JASMY can go. And he's talking about circulating supplies and market cap numbers. And I'm just like ripping my hair out like, bro, research the company, man, before you start doing these videos. You know what I'm saying? Like do your research on it and find out what the team is doing. Like, we're looking at friggin' you know, a lockup, talking about a TVL of something like 85%, and you don't even have the slightest clue what you're talking about with that stuff. It's not even a factor in your mathematical equation. So it drives me nuts, right? Watching these guys who don't do any research into the company or anything and then start doing price prediction videos. It's like, bro, pay attention to what's going on with the company, man. You know? It's nails on a chalkboard to me. I almost wanted to, like, I was this close to, like, in the comments of his video, just saying, bro, you know what? You're invited to come on my channel so that I can educate you on what's going on with the company and the possibilities of the TVL and stuff like that. So please stop spreading misinformation about price predictions and stuff like that. It's annoying as hell. So I almost did it. I almost invited him on the channel just to teach him what's going on. So Lord of the Realm. Is Decentraland a dead metaverse play? Asking for my sister. No, Lord of the Realm. I do not believe that Decentraland is a dead project. I think they will have a resurgence. There is honestly better metaverse plays, in my opinion, than Decentraland, but that doesn't mean that you still won't get a good bull run out of Decentraland. I just think that there's other projects that will have a better ROI because it's already such a big play, right? Um, Decentraland and Sandbox, they both make comebacks in this bull run. I have no doubt about that. I actually hold a lot of Sandbox. I don't hold any Decentraland though. Um, Balaclav, man, I see. Thanks. Uh, United Art Forum, Stacks. Yes. Okay, so Stacks. I am bullish on Stacks, and the reason that I'm bullish on Stacks is because oh, it is a L2 on Bitcoin, right? So basically, it scales on BTC, right? So whenever Bitcoin pumps, Stacks is generally going to pump with it, right? So yes, I am very, very bullish on Stacks. Stacks is not going to go anywhere to the negative, in my opinion. It's going to continue to be coupled to BTC. So very, very bullish on Stacks. Um, Facts. Remember, Decentraland is from the last bull run. You may have to find the new Decentraland to make big money. Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. That's Facts just nailed it there. Um, there will be other metaverse plays that are new for this bull run that would be better for ROI. Uh, Stuff like Decentraland is going to be more of a blue chip uh, project for this bull run simply because they've been around, they're reliable, but the ROI is not going to be as good, right? Um, so Balaclava Man, apart from Jasmy, what alternative narratives surrounding that do you have your eye on other than you see big potential on? In terms of narratives, well, I mean, you got your IoT guys. Going into the next bull run, there's another little niche I suspect is going to be good in the next two bull runs after this one. Okay, and you're going to want to keep an eye on it. It's going to be DeSci, decentralized science. I think is going to start to come into play. It's going to be really, really good in my opinion. Obviously, it speaks for itself. It's more geared towards the medical field and research, right? There's going to be a lot of projects that come out that are going to be huge in DeSci, decentralized science. That is a niche you're going to want to pay attention to in the future, going into the next 8 years, in my opinion. You heard it here first. Facts. It's Oscar the Clown, Ramos. Guy is annoying. Kevin, Jasmy bought out so many content guys who don't research, just looking for views. Yeah, no kidding, man, no kidding. Brought out, yeah, so many. Yeah, that's the thing. There's so many guys. Like when I went on my news feed before on YouTube, before Jasmy pumped, is like not many people were talking about Jasmy, right? It was like me, Jesse from KIR Finance. You'd see the odd video from like Matt something. I can't remember his name. Obviously, you had a lot of videos from Run My Crypto and Max from Maximus Crypto. But other than that, like there was a handful of guys, but other than that, there was nothing. Now it's like everyone's just trying to shove out some Jasmy content with no research whatsoever just to get clicks and stuff like that. It's crazy, right? It's absolutely crazy. Like that one guy, Matt, what is his name, guys? I can't remember his name. Um, Matt something. He puts out like 4 or 5 Jasmy videos a day, but he says the same thing in every video. It's crazy, right? He's just getting clicks. That's it. Um, what else do we have here? Lord of the Realms. I told her to convert it to Jasmy, but she's being super indecisive. It depends. Lord of the Realm. If she's in the green right now, then maybe. But if she's in the red, tell her to hold it, man. Because I would never recommend somebody selling something in the red. At least tell her to wait until it gets back to even. But I don't know when she bought in. So if she's in the green, then I mean, hey, it might not be a bad opportunity to switch it over to something else, right? But obviously not financial advice. Just putting it out there, right? See that, guys? Remember down here I told you it was a good opportunity DCA? We've started to come back up now. It was a good little dip, wick down, and we've tested that support level, and we're back up on top. All right, what else is going on? Michael, only Gary and Elizabeth that thinks that all crypto is a security. Yeah, exactly. Lord of the Realm, she wants me to do research for her, but I don't care about Decentraland. She's down like $500 and doesn't want to let go. If she's down, I wouldn't tell her to sell, brother. I would just tell her to hold it until she breaks even, because at some point in this bull run, she will break even again. She'll get back to par. I wouldn't recommend selling it at a loss when you don't have to, right? I would just say, if you want to tell her to get into Jasmy, I would just say, hey, man, hold on to your mana, and just, if she's working, tell her start to DCA into Jasmy or something like that with her paychecks, right? That's what I would recommend. I would never recommend someone selling in the red. I'd wait to break even, and then I would offload that. Nick, anybody else buying Arc Block while it's on discount? Yeah, Arc Block was actually one of the gems we brought to our members a couple of weeks ago. It was a good pickup. Arc Block's going to do fantastic. Fantastic project. Agree, man. Arc Block will be huge. Nick, you won't even go to jail for that robbery. Good pickup. Nice. Very nice. Facts. Good choice, Holmes. I personally don't hold it, but it has a 20 to 40x potential, no doubt. Agreed. 100%. Facts nails it. Mimo, what's up, man? Good to see you made it. Crypto Holmes, I got into Arc Block at 20 cents with first purchase. Awesome. That is quite the pickup, Crypto Holmes. Congratulations, brother. Lord of the Realms, sounds good, man. I'll tell her to hodl that mana. Yeah, break even, man. Break even. So yeah. I don't know, guys. What else do we got going on? Make sure you guys are smashing the subscribe button for me there, guys. We need 29 more subs to get to 3,000. Absolutely crushing it, guys. Let's frickin' go. Jasmy's broken above one of the moving averages. Hopefully we can keep running up here to maybe the 153, 154 level. I'm going to have the stream on again for you guys tonight, so you guys can check that out. Yeah. Anyway, guys, make sure you're joining as a member, guys. Click the join button for that as well. Get in early, guys. Someone asked me the other day, they said, well, what is the member side offer? And I said, well, listen, because they were asking me for like me to do some TA. I don't have a course that I teach for technical analysis. I have a lot of friends that do it on YouTube. I don't do that. It's too much for me. I work 3 jobs. I can't do that. But that's why, guys, our member side is only $4, guys. $4, right? It's less than a $5 bill a month. Super, super cheap. So the reason it's that cheap, guys, so what we offer is, I mean, we do microcap gem videos. If you want to get in early on projects, right? I'll give you a couple of quick examples. Stuff like SEI Network, guys. We called SEI Network for the members. We called it at, oh, that's Pith. We called it at 2 cents for SEI Network. Where is it now? Where is it? I can't seem to find it. I'll just search it up here. right? We called this at 2 cents for the members, guys. It's 88.6 cents now. That's when you could have got into this project, right? So that's what we do. We call micro caps. We called Pith to the members. It was about 20 cents. Now it's 70 cents. So that's what we do over there. That's one of the things we do. We get you in early on these plays, guys, that are going to make you a lot of money, right? We called Nets, Solid Layer 1 for the members. We called Alliance Block to the members. What else did we call? We called KASPA to the members. We called Beam to the members. We called Myria to the members. We called Lit. We called AWT. A lot of projects we call to the members, guys. So if you want to get in early on these plays, you got to join the member side. It's only $4, guys. It's $4, right? It's incredibly cheap. We've made a lot of money doing it, doing what we do over there. Also, you get members-only live streams on Sundays. You get to join that. We look at a lot of gems there for the members. I try to bring new gems in. Members discuss some of the gems. We help with your portfolio. We help with devising exit strategies. If you have questions about whether you should be buying something or selling something, we can help you out and guide you if you're newer. So it's definitely worth it, guys, for $4 to be on that be in that like-minded community to help you out. So click the join button. I put a link in the comments for that, guys, to become a member. It's absolutely amazing. So check it out. And yeah, check that out. Anyway, guys, my internet is really starting to lag a little bit here, and I don't want to annoy you guys with that. Well, Lord of the Realms, hoping to get my tax return so I can load up on some more crypto. Really starting to feel the FOMO. Yeah, I feel you, man. I feel you. Again, right? That's what we're on right now. I think we're on the 15. So I'll leave that up for you guys. And yeah. Thanks for coming as always, guys. Thanks for being here. Much, much appreciated. And thanks for coming. Thanks for allowing me to do this, because I really have developed a passion for hanging out with you guys and looking at this crypto and, you know, talking and stuff. So, Maltasanti, what do you think of DAG? I like DAG. I think it's a fantastic constellation, right? I think it's a fantastic project. Definitely a good DCA. So check it out. I like it. All right, guys. So that is it for me for now. I'll have the chart up. Thanks for being here, guys. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.